Good afternoon, folks. My name is Fungaita Dokera. Today I'll be talking about a very heartbreaking topic. I'll focus on teenagers and drug and substance abuse and how we as parents can help in building a better future for our children. In many cases, you hear stories such as, "There is nothing wrong with smoking. Most people in our home are doing it, even my friends at school. My father started smoking when he was 9. At least I'm 12. I'm old enough. Next month I'll be a teenager, you see? I'm better than my dad." Majority of our children adopt family culture, be it good or bad. Nowadays it starts in the home. Just a pull from his dab, a sip from the leftover beers. Drug and substance abuse were known as a street thing, but now it trends in the homes. Most parents or family members have become drug addicts, and children follow the same trend because no one sees it as wrong or warns them about the consequences thereof. As a street vendor, every day I sadly watch school attendees as young as 12 years purchasing dagga and sit in the corners smoking. Some teenagers dropped out of school, joining the street hustle just to get a fix. Parents pass by, police pass by, and none does anything. I live in a community mostly occupied by university students, and robberies in that community have accelerated. We experience teen gang robberies in broad daylight. Gadgets, accessories, and appliances are sold for as close to nothing, just so they get money for a fix. Sadly, the community cries out loud, but no one takes action. Some parents protect addicts and care less about the safety of the community or the future of their children. We can put this to an end. If we join our hands together, we can clean our community and help our children to turn around. Our campaign needs you and me, parent or not. Take responsibility. Do not pass by and care less. Let's walk the talk. Help us sacrifice today for a better tomorrow. Be loving, kind, gentle, and be a shoulder to lean on. Our youth need us more than we need them. Thank you for listening to me today. We hope that you sign in to our website. Your contribution makes a difference. It will help someone turn their lives around and have a brighter future. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.